Hello again folks, welcome back. Day 24, January Jewellery Challenge, and we are revisiting the fun 3D printed bus from Cox's Picks. And again we're going to pop the double locks on, like so. Need to use this pick to get this one. There we go, double locks are both on. And we are going to use not just a paper clip, but the paper clip, on which I use to keep all my paper clips. And I've bent a little hook on there, so we are going to go straight in and get the double lock off, and instantly get 3 of these. There we go. Day 24, 3D printed cups again. Thanks again, Coxie. And that is a hideous tool, but it does the job. That's it for now, folks. Anyway, see you tomorrow, day 25. Bye for now.